Hello viewers, welcome to Senior College Mathematics. Topic of discussion is logical reasoning. Lesson 1, Introduction. Logic is a branch of philosophy that is mainly concerned with the evaluation of arguments based on fundamental laws of scientific reasoning and thinking. The term logic is derived from the Greek word logos, which means thought, reason, or law. It deals with the ability to argue and convince. Of course, you can only do this when you have valid facts or evidence on which your argument is based. Then you will be able to convince. Human thoughts and feelings can only be communicated through the application of a suitable language. To communicate effectively, we use grammatical expressions, sentences, and statements. Logic enables us to express ideas clearly and concisely, and to view arguments intelligently and critically. This is all logic is about. Logical statements. A statement in a logical context is a declaration, verbal or written, that is either true or false, but not both. In other words, a statement cannot be true and false at the same time. True and false statements. The truth value of a statement is the truth or falsity of a statement. To determine the truth or falsity of a statement, one requires a pre-knowledge and or definition of the main concepts related to the statement. Pre-knowledge is very important. It helps you to argue correctly and logically. A statement is ascribed T or F, called truth value, depending on the truth level of the statement. In other words, if the statement is truth, you ascribe T to it. If it is false, then F is ascribed to it. Examples state the truth value of the following statements. Number 1, the square root of 6 is 3. It is false. 2, every circle has a radius. It is true. 3, prime numbers are not even numbers. This statement is false because 2 is an even number and it is a prime number. 4, a trapezium is a rectangle. It is false. 5, 34 is greater than 5 times 7. This statement is false. 6, 2s is greater than 7. Therefore, s is greater than 3. If you solve this inequality, you cannot get this answer. Hence, it is a false statement. 7. Sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. From complementary angles, this statement is true. 8. If cos alpha is equal to 3/5, then tan alpha is equal to 4/3. From trigonometry, this statement is true. 9. S minus y in bracket square is equal to s minus y in bracket times s plus y in bracket. The result is for factorizing difference of two squares. This expression is not a difference of two squares. Hence, it is a false statement. 10. S square minus y square is equal to this. The result is for difference of two squares, and this expression is difference of two squares. Hence, the statement is true. Simple and compound statements. A simple statement is a statement which has one main verb. A simple statement expresses a single thought. A single thought. A compound statement is made up of two or more simple statements or sub-statements. It is also called a composite statement. A compound statement makes use of logical symbols called connectives. Connectives are used to join simple statements in order to have a compound or composite statement. Examples: identify the type of statement in each of the following. 1 or 11. Togo is an African country. This is a simple logical statement. 12. Stop making a noise. This statement is non-logical statement. In fact, it is a command. 13. What is this? This is interrogation, non-logical statement. 14. What a brilliant approach. This like a surprise when something is done brilliantly. So it is a non-logical statement. 15. If I see you. If is a conditional logical statement. 16. Faith is hardworking and won a scholarship. This is a compound logical statement, the combination of two simple statements using and. Faith is hardworking. It is a simple statement. Faith won a scholarship, another simple statement. Put together, you have compound logical statement. 17. John is short, but James is tall. This is a compound logical statement. End of lesson 1.